A good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, it's a Wednesday, August the 23rd, 2023. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have here the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. This one has 4 stars, and this one has 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. Taguzu in Japanese. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me to solve them all. Yeah, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Too much for me, time consuming, and yeah, otherwise will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one. 3 stars Sudoku, number 69701. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star puzzle. But we will see if this is really a 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and a 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this row, so no 3 and a 7 in these two boxes. The 3 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright, now. Let me think. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 3. We have a 4 and a 3 in this row, so no 4 and a 3 in these two boxes. 4 and a 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 3, 4 and 3. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there, so 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now, how about yeah, I'm thinking 6 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then, let me see. Well, 789. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. And look, we have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. Look, we have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. So the 7 and 8 are left. Cannot fill this yet. But we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see an 8 in the third column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And 1 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. So 1 number left in this last column for number, I believe, the 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 8, 5, 9. 99859. Okay, and now 1, 4, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have 1 and 4 in this column, so no 1 and 4 in this box. 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright. Then, let me see. 7 in this column. 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the third row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Okay. Then 2 and the 5. Yeah, 2 and 5. How about the number 9? Well, we have a pair. We have a 6 and a 9 in this column. We have a 6 and a 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 6 and the 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in the third row. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. So 2 numbers left now in the second column for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 2 missing numbers in the first column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. So the only place left for 8 in this big square should be there. Then, let me think. 5 and 2. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright. Okay, so we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next only place level the 7, should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, only to place level the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. One box left in this big square for the mod. 1, the 2 is missing. Yeah. Okay. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, only to place level 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next only to place level 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 daisy left in this big square for number 6 now. 6 and a 9. We have a 6 now in the first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. Alright. So we have a 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, told you, cannot be a 4 stars puzzle. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 50 minutes. 14 minutes. Should be a 0 stars. Not a 3 stars, not a 2 stars, not a 1 star. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.